In Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh, within days of schools reopening, a total of 67 students and 25 staff members of a school tested positive for COVID-19. At Tibetan Children Village TCV School in Mandi district's Soja, a total of 67 students including 47 girls, 20 boys and 25 staff members tested positive. They tested positive when administration adopted a proactive approach on their arrival from outside state and carried out routine enhanced testing under its special testing campaign, a government official informed. COVID-19 positive students of TCV school have travel history from outside state, the officials said. Moving on to the next news, officials today informed that an officer of the Indian Army and 3 security personnel, including a constable of the Border Security Force, were killed in the line of duty during a major anti-terror operation along the LOC in Jammu and Kashmir's Kupwara district, NDTV reported. They said 3 terrorists were also gunned down in the anti-terror operation which took place in North Kashmir's Mashil sector. Since April, this is one of the biggest encounters. Moving on to the next news, Congress President Sonia Gandhi wrote congratulatory letters to US President-elect Joe Biden and Senator Kamala Harris for their victory in the US elections. The Congress leader said India looks forward to a close partnership under the leadership of Biden and Harris. Mrs. Gandhi, in her letter to Mr. Biden, praised the Democrat for his measured speeches during the campaign and stress on healing divisions among the people were greatly reassuring. We were greatly reassured by your measured speeches, stress on healing divisions among the people, and promotion of gender and racial equality, global cooperation, and sustainable development of all countries, Mrs. Gandhi said. Sonia Gandhi, in her letter to Kamala Harris, applauded the senator's unwavering courage with which she fought the elections, expressing hope that Ms. Harris will strengthen the friendship between US and India. Mrs. Gandhi also hailed Senator Kamala Harris's success as a triumph for Black Americans and Indian Americans. Moving on to the next news, the Ministry of Shipping is being renamed as the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Sunday. He stressed that clarity in the name will bring clarity in the work. While addressing a gathering after inaugurating a Ropax ferry service between Hazira in Surat and Ghoga in Bhavnagar district, which will reduce the nearly 370 km road distance between the two places to 90 km by sea route, Prime Minister Modi said, work is being done so that country's sea area emerges as an important part of Atmanirbhar Bharat to boost the government's effort. One more big step is being taken. Now the Ministry of Shipping is being renamed as the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Prime Minister Modi said. Moving on to the next news, the 8th round of commander-level meeting between India and China held in Chushul sector earlier this week has remained inconclusive, NDTV reported. Another meeting will be held soon, the government told today. The government, in a communique for the media, said the two sides had a candid, in-depth and constructive exchange of views on disengagement along the line of actual control in the western sector of India-China border areas.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.